Let's create a spaceship. The basic structure of a space shuttle is made up of the orbiter, rocket boosters, and external fuel tank. Let's start with creating the orbiter. It is shaped like an airplane. Take a piece of Model Magic and roll into a cylinder shape. This is the cargo bay and flight deck. Roll and flatten a piece of Model Magic to mold into the shape of the wings and rudder. Attach to the cargo bay and flight deck. Let's make the external fuel tank and two rocket boosters. Roll each into a cylinder shape that vary in size. The rocket boosters provide the shuttle with millions of pounds of thrust to overcome the Earth's gravitational pull. Ready for a creativity tip? Illustrate surface details such as panel lines, bolts, and logos. Parents and teachers, subscribe to Crayola Learning YouTube channel and follow on social media for more colorful, creative content. Thank you for letting your ideas shine today and stay colorful with creativity tips.